9 Killer Self-Confidence Tips for a Confidence Boost. Think of the difference between someone smiling with their hands on their hips versus someone with a straight face and their arms crossed. One comes off as supremely confident, calm, and relaxed, while the other seems disinterested or frustrated, even. Your physical demeanor not only affects how you're seen by others but also how you project your own internal feelings. There are subconscious inklings that give rise to how you come off to someone for the first time. 1. Stop caring about what other people think. The most common self-confidence tip is to stop caring about what other people think. I know so many people who spend lifetimes thinking about how other people think of them. Did I talk too much? It's only embarrassing if you're embarrassed. 2. Smile. The first thing you do when you wake up in the morning should be to smile. Dr. Eva Ritvo, a psychiatrist and the co-author of The Beauty Prescription, the complete formula for looking and feeling beautiful, suggests smiling at yourself in the mirror because it not only helps triggers something called mirror neurons, but it can also help us calm down and recenter if we're feeling anxious. 3. Be aware of what your body is saying. Another self-confidence tip is to be aware of your posture and body language. Research says that posing in certain positions is beneficial for boosting your mood. The Wonder Woman stance with legs spread and hands and hips tends to show the biggest post. 4. Pay attention to your hands. Other than our face, our hands are one of the most expressive parts of our body. Actors pay special attention to their hands in scenes because they know that certain hand gestures can express emotion without a word being spoken. 5. Alter your look. Getting a new haircut may provide a temporary boost in your self-esteem, but it can also give you that pep in your step for a first date, a speech, or just going over a friend's place. You could also have your clothes tailored, even if it's as simple as hemming that pair of jeans to your ankle. Wear glasses if they give you a style boost, or if you already wear glasses all the time, try taking them off and wearing contacts for a change. 6. Change your physiology. Motivational speaker Tony Robbins says that the way to change your state of mind is to move your body. Changing your physiology is an often overlooked self-confidence tip. Observe your body's feelings when you are happy or sad. There's a difference, right? Try taking deep breaths before diving into a project. Experiment with changing your physiology with hot or cold contrast in the shower to elevate your immune response and jack up your energy. 7. Use positive self-talk and visualization. Before bed or first thing in the morning, close your eyes and relax your body completely. Stay connected to positive thoughts and feel the sensations of those things happening in your mind's eye. See yourself accepting an award on stage or crossing the finish line of a race. 8. Focus on other people as opposed to yourself. The more interested you are in others, the more interesting they find you. To be interesting, be interested. Make eye contact and really make an effort to listen to what the other person is saying. Another practice I enjoy is saying, "I love you, I love you, I love you," in your head to everyone you pass on the street. It sounds weird, but it instantly makes you happier. The habit of focusing on what you love in others as opposed to what you dislike in yourself will always leave you satisfied no matter the situation. 9. Do uncomfortable things. This self-confidence tip may not make sense at first, but it does work. By stretching yourself beyond your comfort zone each day, you will quickly have a larger tolerance for uncomfortable situations and can be at ease rather than panicking. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments, share and do subscribe for more videos.